Ooh. Why did I agree to do this? What's going on, guys? It's your boy JD, Justin Dunning, tuning in for another video. And if you are new to this channel, welcome. If you're old to this channel, I got some explaining to do. So most of my followers and subscribers up to this point are primarily followers of my podcast. In fact, if you guys scroll down my page, the only type of videos listed on my page prior to this post are all podcast episodes. What you guys are here for today is an explanation on why I quit, and then also what you guys should expect from this real estate challenge moving forward, known as My First Million. If you knew me prior to this video, you knew me for one of two different things. Number one may have been my football playing career. For those of you who don't know or can't recognize by just taking a look at me, I graduated high school back in 2015 as one of the top recruits in the entire country. Off to Texas A&M University, where I took my talents to College Station to play for Kevin Sumlin and company, where we enjoyed a very mediocre career. Constant 8-5 seasons, but we had a lot of fun over there. The highlight of my career being, what was the highlight of my career? The most important statistic of my career was the fact that I tore my ACL 4 different times. What happens to be my highest statistic during my time? Now, all 4 of these didn't take place at Texas A&M, but 3 of them did. When my third one took place, I was forced to retire from the game. I had to pivot harder than insert pivot joke. Pivot! I had to find something different to do with my life. I landed a new career in radio. In the process of talking on the radio, I fell into the world of podcasting. Justin Dunning Podcast was a sports-related podcast that ran from 2018 until 2020, securing over 100,000 downloads in our very short tenure as a podcast. This is not an episode to give you guys the whole history of why I got inside the podcast. I've already done an episode on that. Head down to the link in my description. I'll give you guys a link to episode 000 of the podcast, where I gave you guys a breakdown leading up until this point. To give you guys the very short answer, I quit because I lost interest. When I took my new job working for the renovation company, I did so with the sole purpose of funding my podcast. However, in the words of John Chavis, the man that chases 2 dogs catches neither one. Boy, if you don't get... I listened to these words and I heeded them. I knew that you could not try to halfway become a good salesperson while also trying to do a podcast at the exact same time. And maybe you could, but I couldn't at that time. And so what I did was I diverted all of my attention towards becoming the very best salesperson I could. And I fell in love with it. I did that for months, close to a year. And in the process of doing that, I actually lost sight of why I started it in the first place. However, it led me down a different path. I was able to remember one of my larger goals that superseded me wanting to be a content creator. It was the goal of achieving financial freedom. This goal was the exact same goal that led me to want to go to the NFL in the first place. After I was forced to, I knew that I still wanted to be able to somehow make the exact same amount of money that people were making in the NFL by using a different vehicle. Luckily for me, I was able to find this vehicle known as wholesaling real estate. Wholesaling real estate was the very first form of real estate that I actually jumped into. Now we've evolved into doing different things such as creative financing in order to actually take down properties and add them to the portfolio. Fix and flips, which is another great form of building up capital by buying properties, putting money into them and flipping them. And all of this is done by targeting off-market properties. And so why am I creating this channel, guys? Why am I reviving this channel? Why am I resuscitating, performing CPR and breathing into the nose of this channel? Breathing into the nose and breathing into the mouth of this channel. It's because I want to document the journey. I was inspired by people like Lily Thompson, Spencer Cornelia, and many, many others to document the process of building wealth. There's someone out there who's listening to this video right now who is maybe walking the exact same journey. I thought, wouldn't it be cool to watch someone who's not an expert by any means go throughout the process of finding deals, negotiating deals, closing deals, and everything else in between. So if you're interested in watching someone who's actually on the journey to building financial freedom, this is the channel for you. This channel is not going to be an undercover billionaire or some scripted BS. This is going to be someone who's actually doing this in real life. Wins, the losses, the good, the bad, and the ugly. So if you guys are interested in hearing more about this, stick around and subscribe to this channel. My final plea to you guys is this. And prior to me making that plea, let me issue an invitation. If you guys have been a follower of the podcast for any length of time and you do not want to support this type of content moving forward, I understand. However, if you have a heart, if you want to see me be successful and witness what we're about to build going forward, it would be my hope and my honor if you could support me along this journey. If you guys have any sort of feedback to offer me in terms of helping me grow, I'm flexible, I'm coachable, I'm more than willing to hear you out. Drop a comment below and communicate with me. And if you guys are new to this channel, I hope you stick around. Hit the subscription button. And also leave a like to this video and a comment down below, as it's great for the YouTube algorithm. I would love to have each and every one of you guys a part of this community and a part of this family. The last thing I will say is this. I do not want to be branded as a guru. I do not want to be branded as a teacher. I do not want to be branded as an expert. I'm a person who's just in the process of grinding, in the process of trying to build and learning every single day. With that being said, I do want to build a community. In order to build that community, we have to reach more people on YouTube. You guys can do that by helping me like this video, share this video, and also comment down below. One other thing that I can do in order to help build this channel is to create a couple how-to videos. And so for those of you who have followed me so far, you're going to see some educational content moving forward, how to find deals off market, how to negotiate with sellers, how to take your pizza out on time whenever it's cooking inside the oven so your girlfriend doesn't get mad at you and have to come in here. Many other things like this you guys should expect from me moving forward. If you guys stuck around this entire time, let me just tell you, it was very difficult making this video. I don't know how good this is going to turn out. By the way, guys, this is my first YouTube video ever, so I'm kind of nervous about it. Leave a comment down below of your favorite part of this entire video or anything that you would like to see from me or this channel moving forward. Let me go grab this pizza before she gets pissed off at me. I love you guys so much. Tune in next week when I have more content coming just like this. See you next time.